Hey, first graders, we're back with some math. So we're going to talk about graphs and how much more something is. Let's take a look. All right, I've got a couple graphs here. My first one is circles and squares. So an easy way to find out, if your question is how many more squares are there than circles, usually these graphs have things lined up. Okay, so there's one under each other like this. All right, so if you want to know how many more squares there are, we can cover up all the way to where they are equal. Okay, and then we can just count what's left. So if we count those, we see that there are 5 more squares than circles. Okay, easy way to do this. Again, a pet store has turtles and bunnies. How many more bunnies does it have than turtles? So we see that they're right above each other. We can go to where they are equal and cover up and see that there are how many more bunnies? Yes, 3. Very good. Okay, let's use that new knowledge and answer some questions if we have more on our graph. Okay, so for example, let's answer some of these questions. What subject do the students like most? How do we know which one is most, first graders? You got it. Most is the one that is the longest, okay? So most would be this top one, science. What about least? Which subject do the students like least? You got it. It's the one with the least, which in this case is math, the one that has the fewest. Okay? What subject is the student's second choice? How are we going to know which one is the second choice, first graders? Okay, we know they like science the most, so second place. Basically, we're looking for second place. So that would be the second longest, right? So I see this yellow one is music. How many students like art? Okay, I see art, and I go across to the end of art, and I see 6 students. 6 students like art. How many students like English? So I find English and go across. I can count my squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 students like English. How many more students like art than English? Okay, so I think about what we worked on before we came to this worksheet, and I see art and English right here. I know I'm going to cover up all the ones that they have the same. How many more like art, the blue? You got it. It's 2. Good job. Let's look at our fish down here. Okay, so let's do number 3. What is the highest number of fish caught? Highest number. Highest number would be the biggest amount, right? So we're going to look at those blue fish that Oscar caught and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The highest number is 8. Okay. How many fish did Eddie catch? We look for Eddie. Oh, poor Eddie. He only caught 1 fish. Good job. The total number of fish caught. What are we going to do to find the total number of fish caught, first graders? You got it. If we want total, we want all of them. So we're going to count them all. I'm going to go down the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 total fish caught. All right, now let's do what we learned today. How many more fish did Oscar catch than Noel? Oscar and Noel. So we're looking at the blue and the yellow fish. Remember, we cover up as far as they have the same. And then we count how many more that is. How many more did Oscar have? You got it. He had 4 more. Very good. All right, first graders. Yeah, I'm sure you guys are getting really good at reading graphs. That is great. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.